Hello everyone, today is September 20th, 2024, and this is Dr. Fryer, and in this screencast I'd like to show you how you can take your Vocaroo recording that you have as a reflection on one of our StoryCorps videos, and then you can put that right into your Google site according to the instructions in Canvas. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and listen to the videos. I'm supposed to actually listen to 3 of these, and so the one that I have chosen is part of the Honoring Black Voices playlist. It's this one that's about Ronald McNair, and I'm going to talk a little bit about this just briefly. So on our assignment 7.1, you can see that the first thing to do is to listen to those interviews, and now I'm ready to record my audio reflection with Vocaroo. Remember that you're going to say your first name and the date at the start, and then you'll go ahead and reflect on the interview, sharing what you liked or what you noticed about it. So I'll go ahead and click on Vocaroo, and when I click record, recording is going to start. And it's really important that I save the link to this when I'm done, because if I don't, the link goes away and I do not have access to my recording. So here's this recording. Hi everyone. This is Dr. Fryer, and today is September 20th, 2024. This is a recording in which I'm going to reflect a little bit on the interview that was about Ronald McNair, who was an astronaut. I thought it was very inspiring that he had the encouragement of his family and that he was so inspired to be an astronaut and was able to persist in his dream and realize his dream. I also thought it was, of course, really sad that his life was lost when he was on the space shuttle that disintegrated when it came back to Earth. But he was really an inspiration, and I enjoyed being able to hear about his persistence and his tenacity when he was an astronaut for NASA. And I think that this series of Black Voices that StoryCorps has is really excellent, and I am actually looking forward to listening to more of those after hearing his story. Okay, so here is my recording. I could go ahead and click play, and I could listen to it. Hi everyone. But what I need to do right now is click Save and Share and copy this link. It's important to copy the link because if I don't copy the link and I just close this tab, this would actually go away and I would not have access to this recording. So what I recommend that you do is you put this inside your learning journal. Remember that your learning journal is the document that we are keeping all semester, and we're going to be putting different links into it. And so I can say Vocaroo reflection, and I can paste this link. So now if I do end up closing this tab, I can go back to my learning journal and I'll be able to click on it here and have that recording. Very, very important. Okay? So now let's see what I need to do with this. The instructions say that I need to create a projects page, which I actually already have, but then a child page called Audio Interview Reflection. So I'm going to do that by going to Google Drive, by going to a new tab in Google, going to my site, and I'm going to be creating that page. Okay? So here is my digital portfolio. In this case, for this one, I don't have a projects page. So I'm going to go ahead and make a projects page. I should already have a projects page because I had the earlier logo assignment. To make a child page, if you want to, you can copy the exact name of it because it says that you should call this your audio reflection page. So you can select that, and then beside projects, I'm going to click the 3 dots and choose Add Subpage. This is going to let this page be underneath projects. And when I go up here and hover over projects, you can see that Audio Interview Reflection is below it. So there's my page. Okay. The next thing it says to do is to make sure that I include links to the 3 videos that I've made, a text summary, and then link to my Vocaroo. So first thing I need to do is, and it says it here, add my content block for my 3 videos. So I can go into Insert. These are the content blocks, and this is the content block for adding these 3 videos. So here is the first one. I can click on the Share button and choose to copy the link, or I can just copy the link from above. And I'm going to choose to click in the middle and insert a YouTube video, and I can paste this link and it's going to allow me to insert that video right here. You don't necessarily need to put the links below. If you want to, you can, and you can put the title of the video that you are embedding. You can also put the duration of it. This is a 3-minute video, so you could say how long it is, and I kind of like having the title above it and then the video. You don't have to do that, but at least have the embedded video here, okay? So I'm going to need to put my other videos that I have watched and checked out. So I'll go to my teacher appreciation videos and click on this one, how a teacher turned into a lifelong friend. You can copy the link here. If you just want to copy the entire link that's at the top, that's fine. Copy the link. Now I'm going to come here and click on the plus, YouTube. I'm going to paste in the link. When I press return or enter, it finds that video that I can insert here. Again, you can, if you want to, put the titles and the times. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You can also delete just those text boxes and leave the video there. I kind of, again, like to have that there. I think I just undid the wrong. Let me put it in here again. So I'll show it with, if you're going to start to put the titles on, then I think it's probably good to do that on all of them. But it's not required that you do. If you're going to paste in, you might choose to place as plain text. That way you don't get all of the formatting for the video. So here's the title. Okay, and then again, this is short. This one is only 1.5 minutes, so I'll say 1.5 minutes. All right, so I just need one more video, and I'll do the other one. This one is under celebrating, this one is under celebrating friendship, and this one is called Clean Streets. So again, I'll copy that, plus YouTube, paste, press enter, and then I can also put the title if I want. Oh, wait a second, I got the wrong link. Let me make sure I copy the right link. How did I know that? Well, it was the same thumbnail here. So if you make a mistake and you need to change that, you can click just on the video, and I think you can change the settings now. Maybe you'll have to throw it away and just paste it in again. For some reason, doesn't seem like that copied right. Let's try that again. There we go. So now I've got the right video, and I can drag that in here, and there's celebrating friendship. I can link this up, and then I can say how long this is, and it looks like this one is about 3 minutes long. You can just estimate how long it is. All right, so I have now put my 3 videos in here, and I have used my content block to put those in. It's optional to do the titles and the times. You don't have to do that, but you can if you want. All right, so let's go to our next step. The next step says that we want to add the content block for image and text. So I'm going to select that content block here, and this is where I can put in my Vocaroo. And so this is going to be my reflection. Here in this spot, you can either put a picture or, let me see. Yeah, I think that would be, you can put a picture, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and embed my Vocaroo recording. And so let me show you the ways to put that in. Copy the link to your Vocaroo, and you can go ahead and make it a link, and you can say a sentence or two about it. This is my reflection on the interview, Eyes on the Stars, about Ronald McNair. Now, you can check to make sure that you have got your spelling right on the video. It'll say in the description how to spell the person's name. So Ronald E. McNair, I'm just looking to see how his name is spelled because we want to make sure we get that right. Who was a NASA astronaut. Okay. And you want to go ahead and have a link to your interview. Notice that I'm not going to paste my link like this. I don't want you to just paste the link without text. So type some text, highlight what you want to say, and then paste your link like that. Okay? And then the last thing you're going to need to do is embed your Vocaroo. And so when you click on embed, it gives you this code. And you can use that code to embed your Vocaroo by clicking on embed, embed code, and then you're going to be able to paste that in. And this is going to actually show the button to play your audio right here at the bottom. Okay? So I have finished now all my requirements for my assignment. I can now hit publish, and the link that I want to get is going to be the published site. So I'm going to say view published site, and this is the link that I'll want to turn in. Noticing that I've got my 3 videos, I have my reflection, and I have my embedded Vocaroo right here that I can go ahead and click on and push play. If you want to, instead of embed, you can just put a screenshot or picture of your interview. I like to have it embedded here, but you can do it either way. And I'm ready to submit it. So I can go ahead and start my assignment. I can paste it in, and I am done. That's it. All right, good luck, and I hope you enjoy putting your Vocaroo recording on your Google site. Good luck, and let me know if you have questions.